because you're going out of a zone when you say you would like or you need and should have a man that is man or a woman who is 5 to plus years times your age. You are. You are. You're way out of the damn zone. Like you're way out of the zone of like true balance, which creates a result that you probably don't want to deal with, and then you have issues with, and now you're spazzing out because you're dealing with the result that does not truly benefit you, and it may only benefit one party, that party being the other one, but you think you benefit from it. So either way you go, if you're engaging with that, that means one party is not of your caliber, which means you are creating a problem for your weapon. You're creating a internal problem. You're creating a problem instead of a solution. You're messing with the functionality of your system. That's what's happening. And both parties are playing a part. So I'm 0. I gotta have my 0. What I don't have is the other side of my 0, which is what I am acquiring. And I have to get my stuff together, and this goes into what I'm talking about today, about me cleaning. Because I said, I'm preparing. I'm back here with my mother. Most of the time, that type of stuff is shunned upon. But I came here with intentions of helping and aiding mentally, because I'm not here to do anything for you financially. All you want is money. Y'all got that. You can do that. You don't need my money. If you need my money, that's why you don't have it, because you say you need it. You need for me to do something. Most likely it's not happening because you need it. You're creating resistance. Instead, you should create a have environment, or at least a wanting environment. If you do not do so, you are just creating more issues for your system, because you are desiring one thing in a way of expressing it in need instead of have, or closeness, which is want. Wanting energy is of closeness. So when you want, I want some rice. I can get it. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there in the back. And I can get it. I want some rice. I can go get that right there. It's right there. It's in reach. It's close. Do I need it? No. I have it right there in the cabinet. Right there in the cabinet. I have. See, I possess. Now, is that a necessity? No. What is a necessity? For my value, I value great nutrition. All that stuff y'all be talking about, all with the meats and chicken and all that, that's not nutrition. Nutrition is from plants. That's nutrition. But to each his own. Because there's duality that plays. So, whatever side you're on, you know what side I'm on. I'm on the side that says it's bad. If I was a doctor, if I was a person of that caliber, it's bad for you to not be here. It's bad for you. You're supposed to come get checked up. No. We ain't coming in there. Unless it's mandatory for us to come in there. No. So that's where I'm at with it. So I'm on the side of whatever result, because you can say whatever they are, whatever disambiguation you want to use. If you want to use bad, if you want to use good, there's a duality within that selection. So that's the second part to duality. Within whatever you select, there's going to be duality within that thing you have now chosen. So you say, pickle, all right, bet. Now they hitting you with more shit. You thought it was over because you're trying to act one-sided. So you thought it was over. What type of pickle you want? You want some terrible pickles or you want some amazing, lovely pickles? What type of pickles do you want? Simple. Simple. What type? Something that make y'all head hurt. That make your head hurt. Shit made my head hurt at a point in time. Shit'll make your head hurt. That's why I see people don't be liking to learn. A lot of people don't like to learn because, it'll make your head hurt. But that's your system. Your brain is a part of your operative system. That's where we store data. Yes, we store data within our blood and the DNA and the RNA and all of that. Yes, but besides that, the brain specifically, the literal brain within the goddamn skeleton, the head, in the head zone, that brain, the body is a brain and the mind is what? Their brain, okay? This shit that's rattling up here, if you shake your head, the one that's connected to the eyes and everything else, but the one that you see with. So, that brain, that's where you store, that's your cache system. That's where the cache system is for memory. Your memory cache system. That's where you store all of that. That's where you store memories and all of that. That's where you see. That's where you hear. Okay? So, use it. When it's hurting, when you're acquiring a certain type of level of information, it's processing. It means you can feel it though. You can feel the movement. I'm sure our computers and all of that we are the physical ones, the peripherals and everything connected to them can feel. You know, when we're using them. You can feel when certain things, like when certain computers have fans and all of that, they got little systems and a cooling systems and all of that, you can feel it. It's a vibration. Everything vibrates. That's why you can hear. It's a part of a vibration. So, I basically am using my cleaning time to prep for my zero, because I know I got it in mind, and I just always hit my brother's head, or hear him talking shit about the cleaning, and I remember how he was. So it's like, all right, I got it, because it's like, how can you want these things, but you're still operating like this with these things? Do you really want it? Or you just sounds good to you? I truly want my other zero, because I am of a zero, but I have to have the other zero in order to be complete. The one is not complete. The one doesn't complete. I have to have that zero. You have to. The only way to make this stuff work, and we can make it actual successful life in regards to however it is that we choose. I don't know. Just Yeah, I'm like, I gotta clean up, bro. I'm like, no, I got to. I'm about to. And I started on the bathroom. You know, got that up. Went and got all the new laundry that I just got because I had a lot of the stuff back in Illinois. I'm like, yeah, bro. I'm about to, yeah. And I'm looking around like, she said something to me one time. She was like, and even that, like, I pay attention to this stuff. There's a sign. There's a sign, Because it's like you may want stuff, but you have to do things. You feel me? You can't be doing certain things because certain other systems don't tolerate certain types of things. Everybody has a system. So I'm like, I got spirits. Y'all got spirits. Now, some of my spirits won't tolerate some of them entities and some of the things that y'all might do and engage in. Vice versa. So when it came to her, I remember when she said, she was like, what if I don't like how they live? She's like, what if I don't like how they live? When it came to talking about like living with people. And this is before I was telling her to go to her brother. I was like, go to Texas. Like, you should go to Texas. Get the experience. Like, she didn't know about it. I don't know. Like, man, go. Go there. Like, go there. Get the experience. She enjoyed herself. When she finally did, she ended up doing it. Very secretive creature, though. Very secretive entity. I get it, though. We got types. We're types. You have secretive, then you have the opposite of secretive. And then when in secretive, once again, there's a duality. And then just know that there's levels within all things. There's a level. That's why I use the quarter system. Like, what level are you on? Like, what level do you operate on? Because that matters. The spirits of leveling. Spirits of levels. Spirits of level. Level. The spirits of level. It's like, what you doing? How you operating there? So I'm like, yeah. And that was a while ago when she said that. And now I'm just thinking, I was thinking about it last night. Because I'm like, bro, I just heard it, like, how you want that? What you gonna do to like get it? Because you can't keep living how you living. And I always used to tell myself, I'm not going back to how I was living. Now I've caught myself during certain times going into that area. But I quickly got up out of it, grab myself by the bootstraps, like some of them say, and got myself up out of it. It took great focus, but I got myself up out of it to the point to where I can be here right now to make the message, to deliver this message in the mind that I'm in the state of mind that I'm in. This is as within like months prior to this video. Today is September 9th. Today is September 30th, 2024, Gregorian. So, I know you're probably wondering about this water bill. Some of you. But we're completing duties. Okay? That's all you need to know. We're creating a master plan. We're getting stuff knocked out of the way. Knocking down any barriers trying to hold me back and keep me from what it is that I desire. I am worthy of being happily wedded to the woman of my desires, as she is programming her system and looks at me as being valuable to her just as well as I view her. Many distractions can come when you are actually attempting to do something. Because once again, if you do nothing, you're still doing something, but there's results that come with doing nothing. There's results that come with doing nothing. There's results from that.